Zaman dulu ya di belakang rumah itu sawah gitulah, padi. Masih jarang sawit. Ternyata sawit itu sangat penting untuk menambah kebutuhan ekonomi. Kesitulah kami mulai beralih lah sikit-sikit.
After university, one of my first jobs was in central Kalimantan, and I witnessed there the deforestation and burning happening firsthand. I really wanted to be part of the solution, to see how I could be part of a group of practitioners trying to end deforestation, but at the same time supporting smallholder farmers to raise their income. My name is Rauf Prasojo, and I am working on more sustainable and a deforestation-free supply chain for Unilever. Problem lies with the massive expansion of this commodity. The majority of our household goods now have some kind of derivative of palm oil or palm kernel oil. The demand for palm oil has been increasing really because of the demand for consumer goods products. This demand is related to the increased demand of vegetable cooking oil. Palm oil is then also further processed in various different products like ice creams and cookies, or other non-food products like soaps and shampoos. The expansion of palm oil has led to deforestation, loss in biodiversity, human rights issues, labor work issues, and also the development of a monoculture crop. The journey for a more sustainable palm oil supply chain comes with many challenges. More sustainable palm oil means that the palm oil is produced with the right standards, such as not having it come from deforestation. This has to be done throughout the value chain. Smallholders make up 40% of the global palm oil supply. Certified independent palm oil smallholders make up 0.5%. This is the very reason for so much of our partnership work with smallholders.
Saya Lemiana Boru Butar-Butar. Usia saya 55 tahun. Pekerjaan saya sebagai petani. Jadi kalau padi sawah dia sekali 4 bulan. Sawit enggak, karena sekali 3 minggu atau sekali sebulan tetap panen. Kesitulah kami mulai beralih lah sikit-sikit. Sawah itu digantilah jadi tanaman sawit. Udah sawit semua.
Smallholders have been left out of the sustainable supply chain. This generates a risk of deforestation, as smallholders do not have access to the resources or training required to produce palm oil sustainably. At the beginning, we really need to understand where the palm oil originates from. This is part of a commitment to make sure that the palm oil used in Unilever's products has not come from land that has been deforested since 2015.
Ini kayak rumahnya ibu gitu. Itu kebunnya yang gitu ya, Bu ya? Nah, jadi nanti kita akan keliling kebun ibu, terus ngambil sudut-sudut dari kebun supaya nanti ketahuan bentuk kebunnya sama luasnya.
Our technology partnerships have been supporting us to deliver a more traceable and transparent supply chain. Meridia is an organization that has helped us identify and map the smallholder farmers that are in our supply chain, which is really the first step of identifying where the fruit is grown.
Setelah kedatangan Meridia, kami sudah tahu luas lahan kami sebenarnya. dan tahu perbatasan-perbatasannya, ya udah kami kasih patok besi, ada yang ditanam langsung pohon pinang untuk batas-batasnya biar jangan ada yang keluar masuk lagi gitu.
We have now mapped more than 27,000 smallholders on 50,000 hectares of land. So what is very important is also to monitor it for deforestation. We've worked with Google, NGIS, and various different satellite imagery providers to better understand what is happening on the ground.
From our suspended.
Here is an example that there is also conversion happening, but then we could then understand that who is the owner of this plantation and then ensure that there's proper mechanisms within our suppliers and the requirements that we have in our suppliers so that we don't source from this particular plantation that has deforestation. Independent smallholders, they go through various different traders and agents to get into the mill. It's not always straightforward, and so we really need to kind of work out that complexity web of the supply chain. Various different technology solutions provide greater traceability and transparency.
Nama saya Felix ya. Saya salah satu pemilik dari perusahaan PT Arka Sejahtera ini. Kita itu setiap hari menerima buah TBS, baik itu melalui agen ataupun dari petani-petani langsung. Itulah tantangan terbesar, meminta ketelusuran asal-usul barang gitu. Pempem ini bisa membantu kita sangat mudah untuk menelusuri asal-usul barang yang kita beli. Inilah yang kita lakukan saat ini. Kita bekerja sama. Pastinya saya sangat bangga bisa menjadi bagian dari program ini. Dunia inilah yang satunya kita tempat ini, kita mesti sama-sama menjaga. Inilah harapannya.
Another thing that we have to look at is the diversification. And at Unilever, we really are looking at what other types of formulations we could use within our products that could be complementary to palm oil and not necessarily have to grow significantly the palm oil required within our products. So these types of investments and reformulation is really important. More sustainable palm oil requires collaborative efforts, forest protection, on restoration. There's a lot of things that we still need to do to stop deforestation. But what is key is that we must work together as an industry to make more sustainable palm oil commonplace.